So you want to learn how to use a Japanese washing machine? No worries, it's easy. This button right here is the on switch, and this one is the off. Let's give it a press. You'll see a number light up in the middle. On the left of that, you'll see a chart for how much detergent you should use for your load. The heavier the load, the more you should use. The weight will show when you put some clothes in. As for this one right here, it corresponds to the list on the right. These are the courses for the machine. You can press the course button to cycle through these modes. If you don't know which one to use or just don't care, just leave it at number 1. This course is called omakase, or leave it to me. If you have any liquid detergent, you can pour it into this hole. Powder detergent just goes right on top of the clothes. Now it's time to close the lid and press start to wash your laundry. So in case anyone ever wonders how to use a drying machine, this one specifically is 100 yen for 10 minutes. You put your clothes in, you put in your coins here, and then this light can either be on or off. If it is off, then it is high temperature drying, and if it's on, that's low temperature drying. You just let it set, and then it'll do its thing.